This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, providing the tools that are trusted by over 10 million men worldwide when it comes to hygiene and grooming down there. We're excited to dive into the new Performance Package 5.0 Ultra, starting with the star of the show, the all-new Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra. The major upgrade to the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra has to be their next-gen dual SkinSafe blade heads, offering an upgraded trimmer blade alongside an interchangeable foil blade for a faster, smoother, and overall more precise feel and performance. Sort of like having two trimmers, except paying for the price of one. And they haven't changed our favorite feature. It's still waterproof too, which means you can choose to trim freely in front of a mirror, but also save some time and multitask in the shower too. There is a new kit on the block in this Manscaped kit, the Crop Soother Ball Aftershave Lotion, because self-care is important, providing a soothing and moisturizing relief after a proper trim. Add in their classic crop preserver to the mix and keep everything smelling fresh thanks to the natural aloe vera found inside. Now, if you're looking to level up your grooming game even further, the Performance Package 5.0 Ultra Kit, as it comes complete with the Weed Whacker 2.0 ear and nose hair trimmer, utilizing a 7,000 RPM rotary dual blade motor system and an improved steel blade system with upgraded cutting performance from their first generation. Surprise, surprise though, it doesn't even end there. The Performance Package 5.0 Ultra Kit includes two free gifts, starting with the Boxers 2.0, plus you can store the whole kit and more in their second gift, the Shed 2.0. Great for hitting the gym, traveling, or just a tray at home to keep your washroom sink clutter-free. So pick up the Performance Package 5.0 Ultra if you want the perfect all-in-one grooming experience. So trust me when I say, your balls will thank you.